southeastern North Carolina, central Pasquotank County in northeastern North Carolina, southeastern Perquimans County in northeastern North Carolina, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:59 p.m., severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Snug Harbor, or 8 miles southeast of Hartford, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Nuxonton around 3:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Elizabeth City around 3:10 p.m. Camden, Elizabeth City State University, and Whitehall Shores around 3:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include White Fort, Brook Cross, Holiday Island, Rabbit Corner, Simmons Creek, Woodville, Okisco, Pressburg, Pasquotank, and Jacox. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using X at NWS Wakefield, VA.